Hey, we're cooking outside today. We got some bacon, we got some burgers, and we got our cast iron griddle on a propane grill. All right, Steak Wolf, let's put the bacon on. All right, bacon is done. I'm gonna pull it right off here, put it on a paper plate with a paper towel, and we're gonna add our onions to the griddle. Let them cook in that delicious bacon grease. Add our onions. Bacon and onion smells amazing. Can't think of a better way to spend a Sunday. I think we're about there. Once your onions look like this, go ahead and take them off. We'll put them with our cooked bacon. Burgers on. Add our Steak Wolf Magic Blend. All right, time for the flip. Smells amazing. He wants to know if his burger's ready. Time to hit him with the Colby Jack. Space them a little so I don't melt them together. These are actually some burgers I had in the freezer that we made a short out of, where we used a ribeye roast and some ribeye fat and a little bit of shoulder roast all put together. So it's going to be a really nice consistency. Again, fry it on a cast iron griddle like this. I think it's going to come out fantastic. We are not done yet. The egg's about this consistency, right on the burger. That only took about 45 seconds. We've got our toasted bun. Just gonna add a little bit of mayonnaise. Add a little bit of ketchup. On our dill chips. I'm going to take some tomato. Put that there. Burger. Cheese the egg. Get in here with some of our onions. All these things individually smell like a home run, so I got a good feeling about this. Go ahead and top that. Alright, let's see. How did we do? I don't know if it's going to be any good. I have no words. One of the best burgers I've ever had. If you guys have any ideas of what you'd like to see us do next, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, hit the like button, please subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks a lot.